This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wheel changing. Chock the wheel diagonally opposite the punctured wheel. Open the tailgate and lift out the floor panel. Remove the polystyrene spacer, undo the retaining nut and lift out the spare wheel. Undo the nut, lift out the toolkit. Unclip the towing eye and handle from the jack. Using the adapter supplied with the vehicle, slacken the locking wheel nut half a turn, followed by the remaining nuts. Engage the head of the jack with the jacking point, indicated by an arrow-shaped mark on the sill. Then use the handle to raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the nuts. Remove the wheel and place it under the sill just in case the jack fails. Fit the spare wheel over the hub studs and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the punctured wheel, then lower the vehicle to the ground and remove the jack. Working in a diagonal pattern, tighten the wheel nut securely. Reassemble the toolkit, place it back in the luggage compartment and tighten the retaining nut. Place the wheel in the recess and refit the floor panel. Close the tailgate and remove the wheel chocks.